Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on high impact practices at South Piedmont Community College. High impact practices, or HIPs, provide opportunities to all students for learning inside and outside of the classroom that enhance engagement and contribute to greater levels of satisfaction and greater retention and success rates. Students in HIPs engage in real-world questions and make discoveries through projects, class enrichment activities, and specialized programs. Regardless of one's program of study, there is an opportunity for all students to become engaged in high-impact practices as South Piedmont Community College provides a diverse array of choices in HIPs. Current HIPS coordinators at SPCC are Tammy Fraley, Honors and Pre-Honors, Global Scholars, Service Learning and ePortfolio, Ryan Brown, learning communities such as First Year Experience, NAA in a Year, and Stephen Silvoy, Undergraduate Research. The first HIPS learning community we're going to look at is AA in a Year. The Associate in Arts in a Year program, or AAY, offers a unique opportunity for students to earn their Associate in Arts degree in just 1 year. The price of the program is capped at $1,500, making it affordable and accessible, especially because there's no cost for textbooks, as all learning materials are OER, or online educational resources. Classes in AAY are pre-selected and offer a flexible schedule that meets the needs of people from all different backgrounds. The HighFlex model of these courses also gives students the choice of learning in the classroom or in their own homes. The next learning community we're going to talk about is First Year Experience. The First Year Experience program consists of 20 students who take classes during their first year. In doing so, they form a community that supports and elevates each other. Students in FYE learn inside and outside of the classroom, as they have a focused schedule of classes that are combined with educational field trips. The First Year Experience learning community, as all the other HIPs, contributes to higher persistence and graduation rates, which leads to greater success in college and in students' future careers. The next two programs we will discuss are Honors and Pre-Honors. The Pre-Honors program allows new students to start their academic career with curricular projects and co-curricular activities that emphasize deep learning. Pre-honors can also serve as the first step to becoming an honors student, allowing these students to start seeing themselves as highly engaged and active scholars. The SPCC Honors Program allows students to demonstrate excellence in their field of study or in a particular area of interest. Honors also looks attractive on a resume as it focuses on specific areas, such as undergraduate research, leadership, and service during their 2-year college program. The next HIPS to be discussed is the Global Scholars of Distinction. It is a unique program that focuses on multicultural and global education. The program allows students to access courses, webinars, presentations, films, field trips, and even international travel that enhance their understanding of the world and its people. Worldview, a global program at UNC Chapel Hill, began the Global Scholars Program for community colleges to bring global education to students. SPCC has taken advantage of this program to enrich and infuse multicultural learning into the students' learning experiences. And SPCC has been a member of Worldview since 2016. Some incentives for students interested in being a global scholar of distinction include receiving the distinction on their transcripts, receiving graduation honors cords, and a certificate of completion from UNC Chapel Hill. Service Learning is another HIPS program that combines community service with academic activities and reflective practice that lets students apply course learning in quote unquote the real world. A central component of service learning in SPCC's program is community service, and community service that aligns with a specific course's student learning outcomes. Through this process, the program offers exceptional and focused opportunities for students to develop on a personal, educational, and professional level. Another burgeoning HIPS program is undergraduate research. The undergraduate research program will provide students with the ability to improve research and critical thinking skills while also fostering relationships with a faculty mentor. Faculty mentors will guide and support students to help them develop a complete, high quality, and scholarly project. Best of all, these students will be able to create something that reflects themselves, their passions, and their future pursuits. As all HIPS, the undergraduate research program is an inclusive opportunity for all students that provides limitless prospects for creativity and learning. The final HIPS we will discuss is the ePortfolio, which is a website students create to tell the story of their academic and professional development at SPCC and beyond. The ePortfolio supplements the traditional resume and can be included with the many university and employment applications students submit to give more detail on their personal, academic, and professional qualifications. Transfer students in the Associate of Science, Associate of Arts, Associate in Fine Arts, and Associate in Engineering make an ePortfolio as part of their coursework. The ePortfolio is started early in a student's program and it is completed near the end. However, students outside of associate degree programs are also invited to create an ePortfolio, as it serves as a valuable presentation aid when applying for future jobs and opportunities. For more information on any of the HIPS we've looked at, please go to the HIPS website, spcc.edu/high impact practices. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.